Okay, go ahead and open it. What is it? Oh, look at this really cute coat.
Bubbles.
Bubbles? No way.
Shoes. He brought me shoes.
That's awesome.
Bubbles.
Jilly, come here and look. Come here and look. Come on.
This is cool.
Wow, what else? Wow. What do you say?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Mimi.
Thank you, Mimi.
Yeah, I love you.
No, I had to pop it.
Yeah.
Pop it.
Tell Mimi I love you.
I love you.
Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Jilly, you say thank you?
Chicken.